Hello guys, my name is Muhammad Mahmud Hassan and how are you? And welcome to our channel Problem Solver team. So we are discuss today sensor. Now the question is, what is the sensor? So a sensor is a device that works without touching anything. So now the again question is, why do we use it? So as we discussed before that, it can direct the output without touching anything. So today we are discuss the sensor is proximity sensor. And the proximity sensor is two types, inductive proximity sensor and capacitive proximity sensor. So what is the difference between the inductive and capacitive proximity sensor? So inductive proximity sensor only detect metal and capacitive proximity sensor can recognize everything. And the inductive and capacitive proximity sensor are two types, NPN proximity sensor and PNP proximity sensor. So what is the difference is NPN and PNP proximity sensor? So positive voltage is obtained at the output of PNP proximity sensor and negative voltage is obtained at the output of NPN proximity sensor. So look, suppose this is a proximity sensor and this sensor is three wire, brown, black and blue, and the brown wire is 10 to 30 volt DC input and the black wire is output and the blue wire is 0 volt input. So we will see how it works. We have already assembled it and we will discuss how to create in the next video. So look at this. This is a inductive type PNP proximity sensor and this is a connecting part and this is a metal part, and the metal part is since the sensor, look, the lamp is blinking now. Look, the lamp is blinking now. So our project is 100% ready. So thank you, watch my full video.